Good morning, everybody. I am going to walk you through my morning skincare routine, and for some people this might be a lot of steps, whereas for some people this might be pretty simple. I would like to say that compared to what I used to do, this is a pretty simple skincare routine, and some of you wanted to see it. So I'm gonna take that as a compliment, and I'm gonna take you guys through my current morning skincare routine. So I already just threw my hair up into a ponytail to get my hair out of my face. I'll either put it in a bun, or I'll keep it down, or I'll just get, you know, all of my hair out of my face. I'm gonna start the day off with some water. And I tried to do this thing where I was going to do a gallon a day, and then I quickly realized that when I'm working at my jobs, I cannot drink that much water, so that's not gonna work for me. But it's very important to start off your day with as much water as you can. Not only does it hydrate your skin, but it boosts your metabolism, it gets you ready for the day. If you wanna have a morning cup of coffee or a morning cup of matcha following your water, go for it. I'm all for it. I just had some matcha before too. So now that we've gotten through the morning basics, let's just get right into it. First, I already washed my face. I should have shown that, but I forgot. So I washed my face with a Tula Gentle Skin Cleanser. Sometimes I decide to use that, sometimes I use an oil-based cleanser, and sometimes if my face isn't feeling that gross, because I take a shower at night usually, I will just go ahead and use some micellar cleansing water. So following any one of those steps of cleansing my skin, I'm using the Tulip Pro Glycolic pH Resurfacing, can I speak? No, a resurfacing gel. And I just put 1 or 2 squirts onto a cotton pad, and I just gently swipe it over my face. I try and make sure that I don't swipe over the same area twice, just because this is glycolic acid. It's perfect for resurfacing and kind of getting rid of any dead skin that may have built up, and I have a lot because my skin has been so dry recently. Oh yeah, I had a friend here, so obviously none of us are perfect. So after I do that, that really preps the skin to absorb any kind of serums and oils and moisturizers that I'm going to use. Since I don't really exfoliate my face all that much, once or twice a week is plenty. Oh, forgot. A pivotal step in your morning and night and any kind of skincare routine, you want to make sure you're using lip balm. And I have drawers and drawers and drawers full of lip balms. But it's important, you want to make sure you not only hydrate your skin, but you hydrate your lips and make sure that your lips are all set to go. All right, what is next? Okay, so it's gonna be different for the night, it's gonna be different for the morning. Sometimes if my skin is feeling a little dry or I feel like it needs a little bit of a boost, I use this Superfood Skin Brightening Face Oil with flaxseed oil. And I start that off before any of my serums and moisturizers because it is an oil, and during the night I do it a little bit after before my moisturizer. So I put like 1-2 drops, massage it into the fingers and palms of my hands, make sure it heats up, and then I just gently massage it into my face, making sure to get all of the crevices that may be dry, sometimes even under my eyebrows, because let me tell you, you guys, under eyebrows can be some of the driest parts of your face, so make sure to not neglect them. Okay, all right, we're gonna get started with the serums. So I used to have like the rose quartz or like the stone roller thing, but I just couldn't incorporate it into my skincare routine because usually I'm in a rush in the morning to get somewhere to work, wherever I have to be, so I don't really use that. But I start off with a vitamin C serum. This one's from Province Beauty, vitamin C and probiotic serum. It's the glow one. That's the first thing that I utilize. And I only use the vitamin C in the morning. I don't use it at night. And let me tell you guys, you don't need fancy $40, $50 serums to take care of your skin. One more time, you don't need expensive serums to take care of your skin. No, you know what? I found all of my serums and my facial brightening oil at Marshall's and TJ Maxx because they have everything that you possibly need. And this one cost me $5.99. $5.99, and I use it all the time and I keep on rebuying it. So I love it. And that was the vitamin C one from Province Beauty, and has probiotics in it too. And then this is the hyaluronic acid with probiotic serum for hydration from the same company. I also got it at Marshall's, and it was only $5.99, people. So I usually only do one droplet of these, and then I put it into my hands. I rub it to make sure it distributes on both fingers, and then I rub it into the face, and then I pat it in lightly to make sure it all settles. And that's 2. And I was told somewhere, I don't know if it was an esthetician or somebody that I watched on the internet who hopefully knew what they were talking about. I was told that you can put up to 3 serums into your skincare routine morning and night before they stop absorbing all the nutrients. So I have, for my last one, this one's really important since I do have very, very acne prone skin and a combination skin right now. I used to have even more acne prone skin until I started using Epiduo, which is something I only use at nighttime, and it's not always now. Usually at the beginning I used to use it very, very, very consistently, whereas now I use it when I feel like I have a breakout coming on, and a lot of that has been due to my skin care routine. I've started taking really, really good care of my skin for the past, within the past couple of years, and I've been drinking a lot more water, so that's a really important part of your skincare routine as well. So this last one is from Valjean Labs, and you can actually find this at Urban Outfitters. I bought it at Marshall's. It's the Restore Facial Serum with Niacinamide and Zinc. Niacinamide is incredibly important for your skin, especially if you have acne prone skin. It does help restore any kind of you know, inflammation, and if you have problematic skin, it really evens out the tone and combats any kind of infections and inflammations. And then zinc is of course something that literally lifeguards use on their face, so you want to make sure you're utilizing that. So those were my 3 serums, and now I'm just gonna pat it in. Time for a water break. And then after we are done with that water break, we are going to, since only I feel like I have a few little friends popping up on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Tulip Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. And this one also has probiotics in it. All right, I have a little friend over there, so I'm just gonna dab that in. All right. And usually I like to let these serums and oils soak into my face for a little bit longer. Just if you have time, go make some breakfast, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and then go back to what you were doing. You want to make sure you give it enough absorption time. But for the sake of time and whatnot, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on going. So the final 2 steps are the most important steps. It's your SPF or your sunscreen, whatever you want to do, and your moisturizer. So I know this is probably not the most correct thing, but it's been working for me for years, and I use it actually in the summer too when I go to the beach. It's the Trader Joe's and Roach Moisturizing Face Lotion Broad Spectrum SPF 15. So this isn't necessarily just an SPF and a daily protectant. It is a moisturizing face lotion. So if you wanted to just go about your day with just this, it's a really good steal, and it has exactly what you need to protect your face throughout the day. And one thing that you want to make sure you are doing is putting on SPF in the morning every single day. It doesn't matter if you're going outside, it doesn't matter if you're spending time in the sun, it doesn't matter if you're going to the beach. If you're going to the beach and you're spending a lot of time in the sun, please get something that has a higher SPF. But you want to make sure you are protecting your face. You don't want wrinkles, you don't want any exposure to the sun that could damage your skin and damage your face. I know the other thing that I use most of the time is the Tulip Probiotic sunscreen or daily protectant, something like that. It's in like a yellow tube and it has papaya and pineapple and stuff like that and brightening stuff, but it is also protectant. It's also a protectant for blue light. So if you're spending a lot of time in front of the computer, which if you're like me and have to go through Zoom University every single day, that's really important. You want to make sure you get something like that to protect your face from blue light as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use my SPF. And sometimes if I'm on the go, I only put this on because it is technically a moisturizer as well. I didn't get enough, so let's put some more. And yes, you guys, you might look like a shiny glazed donut at the end of this, but your skin is going to be glowing and you are going to have hydrated and happy skin. That's what we want. We don't care about any other kind of skin. We want happy skin. That is what we want. Oh, also, if anybody was wondering, Trader Joe's, I think this is only like $4.99 or something, and it's non-comedogenic, so it does not clog your pores, which means it's not going to break you out, and I can attest to that. I've been using this for years. I have not broken out from this. It's fragrance-free, it's light, non-greasy, and it has vitamins A, C, and E. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. Trader Joe's, you're the best. And then finally, if your skin is needing a little bit more hydration, I use the Tula 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I use this day and night as it says. Sometimes in the summer when I don't need as much hydration, I do go ahead and use their oil-free gel lotion instead of a thick cream, because this is really a thicker consistency. I wish I was better at talking while doing my skincare, but I just feel like I get mumbly. And make sure when you're using any kind of moisturizer, any kind of oil that's supposed to hydrate and boost your skin, please, please, please bring it down your neck as well, because you don't want any premature wrinkles. You want to make sure you're taking care of your skin, face, and your neck. So just remember to bring your moisturizer down. Exactly. And that finishes up the skincare part of my routine. 2 important steps for me after this: eyebrows, eyelashes. Eyelashes without mascara if I don't have to go to work or if I'm not feeling wearing mascara, or eyelashes with mascara. But I'm always doing my eyebrows to leave the house, or if I have Zoom University like I do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and alright, she's done with that. And then we're gonna go ahead and quickly do our eyebrows. Super, super simple. I feel like this is also turning into a get ready with me. Oops. Oh well. It is what it is. And then of course you want to make sure you set your brows. So I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Right. And voila. We are done. Alright. That's it. This is how I usually do everything in the morning. Super simple. It's really under around 10 minutes, so it's like an under 10 minutes, under 15-minute kind of ordeal. Of course, when I'm not talking, I'm just kind of doing my thing. It's not gonna take as long, but don't forget to like and subscribe so that you never miss a video from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.